During online school, my school has implemented a Google form to take attendance. Many of us occasionally forget to take attendance through this form, creating a misunderstanding for the student and a big hassle for the teacher and administration to correct the attendance. In this video, I'll show a method to solve this problem. This method will work if you have a Windows computer. A program that comes with all Windows computers is Task Scheduler. You can find it by just going to the Start menu and then typing Task, and then it should pop up. The Task Scheduler is a program that lets you run tasks when a certain action is triggered, such as a certain schedule, like a time, or when like the computer is shut off or turned on, something like that. So what our goal is to create a task that opens up the attendance links at the beginning of class. To do this, let's start by creating a new task. So let's just go up here and create task. We can name it whatever we want. So let's just call it attendance 2. Now that we've named it, let's go to triggers to set when this task will be ran. So to do this, let's go new. And we want to run the task on a schedule during the weekdays. So let's go weekly and then just set all of the weekdays. Next, we have to set the time that this task runs. So I just want to set it at the beginning of class, which is just 8:30 for me. Okay, and then I will just press OK. Next, we can go to actions to set what program runs when the task is triggered. So let's just go new. So here we're gonna want to open the link in our preferred browser. For this program script variable, we're gonna wanna locate the application file of our default browser. So to do that, we can just go here, just type in what your default browser is. For me, it's just Chrome. Right here, we can just right click and then say open file location. Then now that we have the location of the shortcut, we can just say properties, and then here there's an open file location button, and you can just click on that. And right here we have the exe, which we want, so we can just click on it and copy the path, then paste it here. Then in this add arguments variable, we're gonna want to put the attendance URL, and then just press OK. So now we're pretty much done. You can just press OK. If you want to test this out, you can just click on the task and then press run. And it should open up in the browser that you set. It worked. So this mock attendance form opened up. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully this makes the process of doing attendance a lot easier and will prevent you from getting marked absent when you are actually in class. And yeah, that's pretty much it. See you.